Welcome everyone to another Kaspa update. Thank you so much for the continued support. We're so very close to 8k. Let's hit that in the next few days or so. Kaspa broke out and met our first technical target. We have been saying for weeks and weeks on the channel, and it might have been boring because we keep saying the same thing, but things can take time. During this waiting period, we were saying, while this final support holds, we are not continuing to the 200 EMA. This wick down here was our bottom. We've found our bottoming out range. This is the final support before we fill in the wick. As long as this final support holds, I'm anticipating a move to the 1 fib level, and on the break and a daily close above the 1 fib level, I'm expecting a move to the 0.5 at 13 cent. And there you go. It has taken a month or two. It's taken many weeks for this to actually happen, to set up. And I've been saying it every single day, every single week, and it's been annoying. And I've had those comments saying, you've been saying this every week. Oh, you're saying it's setting up like 7 days ago. But guys, it can take weeks. It can take months. When the setup comes, when the breakout comes, it happens so very fast. We broke out yesterday, meeting the first target, the 1 fib level, and then the same, the direct next day today. We have almost met the 13 cent psychological level. In fact, we topped out at 12,994. So I'm going to take it, okay? I'm going to take it as targets have been met, because we were calling it for it ever since down here with constant hate, people trying to make me doubt myself. No. I've been doing this for 5 years. I never doubt myself. I've just been doing it every single day for 5 years. I know how this plays people exactly like a book. So you just prepare for both scenarios, and then just whatever one comes, you just take that, rather than, oh, it's only going up. Oh, it's only going down. You just need to get past that point. You know, read the book, Ego is the Enemy, if you want. And then you just need to realize you got no control here. You just need to know all the possible paths, and then the one that comes, you take it. So I'll prepare you with all my efforts, with the 5 years of experience, to make you well informed. I'm the storyteller. I'm just telling you the story. It's not personally what I want. If I'm looking for downside, like, we can look at downside as a positive or a negative. Our money's going down, or we're going to make more money. If it does go down, I can buy lower. So if we just looked at it negatively, oh, we're going to lose money, then, I'll just buy lower. Or it doesn't really matter at the end of the day, because we know in months to come, we will be in profit, because the bull market's here, which means higher highs and higher lows. So no matter how deep we go, we'll eventually get out of it. And so I'm just going to prepare you. For example, lose this support. We would have filled in this wick, met the 200 EMA. This keeps the uptrend. So if we held it as support, we would just go up anyway. But of course, if we never lose this, we're going up anyway. And we finally saw the double bottom breakout. Target, of course, has been met out of the double bottom. We also just scraped underneath 13 cents. So I'm just going to take it, because you can't get bloody closer than that. It's the fractions and fractions and fractions of a penny. Guys, make sure you help me achieve our 8k subscriber goal over the next few days, and let's get these videos so well over 100 likes. We're getting over 500 views on them. We can definitely hit 100 likes. Thank you for the continued support. And I need to remind you guys that although this is all positive, we've got the move, we've been talking about it for weeks and months, and now it's finally here and proved all the haters wrong. Amazing, right? No, there's still a lot of work to do. We need to flip this area into support. Currently, it is resistance. Please don't get caught off guard if we get a rejection over here. We just need to maintain the moving averages, and I think that they're going to form a bullish cross. So all that now needs to happen going forward is, now let's maintain the 1 fib level, 11.5 cent, and I think that we can eventually coil up, another gearing up move, where it could take some days, could take some weeks, it could be 1 day. No one knows. That's the only problem. No one knows how long anything will take. If they say they do, they're lying to you. Just literally unfollow them that second. There's no way of telling dates. However, there are ways of telling targets, and those targets will get met. Yes, you are able to tell if they will get met, because there are certain validation points. And I can teach you this all. Just use the links down below if you want to get educated. I got offers on my one-to-one mentorship discount at the moment. You do get access to my group chat where you find all my cryptos, and you do get the course to fall back on for the rest of your life on top of your 3, 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. You can just try out a 1-hour session, message me on Twitter or use the links down below. Otherwise, continue to support the channel and follow along with these updates. There's so much free information and you guys should be learning absolutely every day. Now we need this 13 cent area to turn into support. It was previously a support here, now it is resistance. So if we get a rejection, that's totally fine. The moving average is down at the 1272. They are going to form a bullish cross. However, I think that we can just find supports higher than the 11.5 cent area because this was our previous range low, and this will give us an opportunity to coil up over here. And yes, it could take some days, it could take 1 day, it could take some weeks. It just depends. But basically, we're stuck under the 0.5 and we're stuck above the 1 fib level, and we're just going to consolidate until a breakout, whether it's down back to here for continuation higher, or we just immediately continue through, flipping this into support, validating 25 cent. We've been saying this for so long now. Finally, it's come to that point where it's all coming to fruition. You finally realize I'm not chatting shit. I have been doing this for 5 years just because I am young. I know it sounds crazy, but that's it from me today. Make sure you're following me over on Twitter. I have a giveaway at the moment. Any day now, the winners will be announced. And I made multiple Kaspa updates over there. So let's briefly look at them. I made 3 just now. So here's an image from the 30th of January where we were saying, is Kaspa about to shock everyone? Look where we were calling for the move up from. The final support here, look, we called for this move up. Remember, if final support is lost, we go down to 200 EMA. I'm preparing you guys totally for free. Hopefully you are learning from it. I really do hope you're learning from these videos daily. Let me know in the comment section below. And then of course we got this move up to around this area, and we know, as I marked out right over here, that we need to reclaim it in order to head up to 25 cents. Sorry if you can hear my dog. Ivy! Sorry if you can hear my dog. So let's look at the next Kaspa one. So here's another one where you can see where I've added these arrows, of course. And then this final one over here, Kaspa, so close to 13 cent target after speaking about this move for some weeks now. Constant comments about saying, like suggesting I've been saying it for weeks, which is true because moves set up, and you know, setups can take a weeks to months. And once we flip 13 cent into support, 25 cent is on the way. And yeah, guys, make sure on the way out to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.